It's a beautiful fall day, so I thought I'd take a little ride to World Market. Welcome to the World Market. Let's see what we can find in here. Oh, Thanksgiving's coming. Look at the cute napkins. Let the stuffing begin. Anybody for holiday sweets? There's a whole display here of Moose Crunch, or I should say Moose Munch. Look at this. We've all played the game Candyland. Well, these are Candyland Gingerbread House Kit. Well, if you like licorice, you should be able to find something here. Here's a whole display of all kinds of licorice. I came in here looking for Irish potato chips for the cameraman. I think these are the ones he likes, but not the cheese and onion. I'm looking for the regular ones. Let's see, there's different kinds here. Last time I got him the Guinness ones, and he didn't care for those. Looks like they only have the salt and balsamic vinegar and the cheese and onion. So I'll get him those. I think they're out of the plain ones. But the cameraman loves anything. These are grown with love in Ireland. Here's whiskey and rum cakes. Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey cake. And here's a rum cake. I don't even drink. I think I have to be in the the wine section. Here's Guinness fruit pudding. All kinds of goodies in here. There's a Welsh whiskey fruit cake and a Jamaican, I don't know the name of it, but it's Jamaican, and a port and brandy fruit cake. There's an amaretto liquor cake. That'll be interesting. Oh look, Guinness mini pints. How cute. Look at this. The Walking Dead Sauvignon Blanc. Electric Reindeer Moscato wine from California. Regularly $7.99. On sale for $5.99. Look at this, more Electric Reindeer. This is a red blend. And over here, Electric Reindeer White Zinfandel. There it is. Come and get your Electric Reindeer wine. Ears of the World, anyone? Holiday ginger snaps. Look at those. Those are cute. And there's the tins. I bought one of those tins somewhere else. I think I bought the tin in Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm going to crush up some gingerbread cookies for a pie crust. Whoa, dark chocolate bark with caramel. And dark and milk chocolate bark with peppermint. They look good. Here's a whole display of World Market cookies and chocolates. Looks good. Yeah. Here's some musical advent calendars. My grandsons love these. Count down the days till Christmas. Oh, look at these. I didn't see these on the other side. A big selection of advent calendars. Here's a Christmas section. They're starting to put out all the tree ornaments. Oh, I see some shiny ones down there. So pretty. Christmas is my favorite holiday. Some Christmas stockings. All the Christmas goodies are starting to come out. gift cards, anyone? There's some candles. And oh, look at all the cacti over there. Here's the home decor center, furniture, pillows, rugs, and accessories. There's some nice screens there that you open up. I thought about getting one of those to put it behind me when I do my YouTube videos, because I have the black refrigerator there and I have to put black poster board on it because of the reflection, but I don't know if I want to spend $200 to get a screen. Sweet dreams, anyone? Lots and lots of throw pillows. I think though the kind I'm looking for, I would probably find in Hobby Lobby. Christmas will be here before you know it. But can't we just have Thanksgiving first? To all my cat lovers there, here's a little cat section. Life is perfect with a cat. We don't want to leave the dogs out. Here's doggy stockings with doggy treats in them. Doggy toys. Can't leave the dogs out for Christmas. Here's some World Market jewelry for all the jewelry lovers out there. Here's the kitchen essentials section. Anyone collect mugs? Here's little trinkets from different parts of the world. Well, I just checked out. Oh, look at this cabinet here. You can have this for only 20% off, $519. Well, I'm heading out now. I did get the cameraman his potato chips, but honestly, I didn't pick up anything else. And for me, it was interesting to walk around, but I think before the traffic fills, I'm heading over to Hobby Lobby. I think I'll find what I want over there. Okay, so toodles everyone. Well, I just arrived at Hobby Lobby. I left World Market and now I'm heading in to one of my favorite stores. I can guarantee you I won't leave here empty-handed. See you soon. Look what's greeting me as I enter the door of Hobby Lobby. Now we're talking sparkly pumpkins. In fact, I have these. I bought a couple of years ago. I have these in my living room. I love this store. Look how cute. Orange and white polka dot pumpkins. They're adorable. Oh, and there's my glitter ones again. Very nice. Can't believe everything's 50% off. I guess they have to make room for all the Christmas decorations. Look at all the nice fall signs. Give thanks. Welcome. Blessed. Together is a wonderful place to be. You can't find something in here. You can't find something anywhere. Have I told you I love this store? Black and white check is very, very popular this year for Halloween and Thanksgiving in the fall. There's black and white check dishes here and a lot of things to match them. Very nice. Lots of fall colored ribbons to make your fall wreath. A whole aisle of that. Now we're in my favorite part of the store. All the Christmas trees are lit. They're putting out all the Christmas decor. I'm gonna head over there and walk along and see if I can find any more tree ornaments for my baking tree. I try to get a couple every year. Oh, I see a whisk and I see a wooden spoon, and these ornaments are 50% off. So they're $3.99. They'd only be like $2. So I'm gonna pick up those. Look at this one. Look at this one. Coffee and a friend. The perfect blend. There's Santa with a donut. Half price. This is only $1.50. This one's going in the cart for sure. Look at that adorable little cup of coffee. You can hang that on the tree with all the cake and cookie and donut ornaments. There's a sugar cookie. Boy, I hit the jackpot today. If I came in here in a couple more weeks, there'd probably be none of this stuff left, because that's what happened to me last year. Decisions, decisions. There's Santa Claus with his coffee. Well, here's all my Christmas ornaments for my baking tree. My tree should be filling up now. I have to get these before they're gone, and they're all 50% off. Woohoo! Look at all the wooden soldiers. My son collects these. He has an entire collection of them. Here you go. If you have a silver theme running in your house, and down there is red, and on this side's a lot of multicolor. Now if you're into red and white combo, I guess they have that here for you too. Are you into gold? Gold ornaments? There's more silver over there. This aisle has the more rustic, woodsy ornaments in it. Here's all the stockings and the tree skirts. I can't believe that everything is 50% off and it's not even Thanksgiving yet. I'm trying to figure that out. Usually the stuff goes on sale after Christmas, not before. That basketball stocking is cute. And then you insert a picture in there. I bet my grandson would like that. Oh, there's the Grinch. I love that movie, The Grinch That Stole Christmas. Oh, look at these pillows. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. Oh, I like that a lot. That's a great dish to do a trifle in. Very nice. Milk for Santa. We always put milk and cookies out for Santa, don't you? Look at all the gingerbread houses. And the gingerbread man. How cute. But Diva, you can make one of those out of real gingerbread, right? You betcha. There's the elves. Oh, the grandsons love to put the elf on the shelf out every year. Lots of elves here. Alrighty, now we're talking. The Baking Diva's in the baking aisle. So let me head on down there and see if they have anything good. Look at that picture I just spotted up there. It says, "'Twas the night before Grinchmas." That's cute. I love this aisle where they have all the girly signs. Look at that one. She believed she could, so she did. There's one that says dream. There's more over here. Oh, I like that one. Always wear your invisible crown. This one's for me. If it's pink and sparkly, I need it. If the crown fits. How cute. Look at these nice flowers. Oh look, here's the eyelashes. They have it upside down, this picture. But it's the eyelashes that I put on my coffee mug I designed. All this old-fashioned kitchen accessories. The red and the white and the black and the porcelain. Love that. I originally came in here looking for a clear glass sort of a vase or a jar on a pedestal, and I just found the perfect one here. It's $24.99, 50% off. So the Diva's going to take this. Well everyone, the cameraman just called me. He said, "Where are you?" He should know by now that when I go shopping, I'm gone a long time, but he's hungry and I'm making chicken stir fry. So I told him to hold on, I'll be home in a few minutes and I'll make it. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the World Market and Hobby Lobby and some of the little goodies I bought. I feel thankful, grateful, and blessed. So I'll see you all very, very soon. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this, subscribe to my channel, make a comment, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you soon. Toodles! As you can see, the Diva's been shopping for a while. It's getting dark out. The cameraman called, he's hungry, so I'm heading home. I hope you enjoyed my little shopping trip. Toodles!